One of my viewers came up with a fantastic idea for an AI agent, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to build it. So she's trying to build an AI Twitter trivia bot for her company Bug Zoo. And for example, each post she wants to look like this. Let me read this quickly. In armor, I crawl with legs to unfold. A tiny gray knight, though I'm far from bold. When danger is near, I roll up tight. A ball of protection just out of sight. What am I? And the point of a post like this is to drive engagement so people can guess at the answer. And then she can go in either manually or with another AI agent and award the winner of the contest. Okay, let me show you how to do it for something like a geography trivia game. First off, you want to head to youraiagent.com. Your AI Agent is a comprehensive business suite of AI agents. It is the web app that I'm building live on this channel. We're trying to create multiple different AI agents for your business or company or for personal use. We're trying to make it very easy to set them up. If you don't have an account already, enter your name and email address, password, and then click sign up. It's going to drop you onto the settings page, and we're going to unleash this agent for Twitter. So click on Twitter version 2. We're going to connect a Twitter account. At any point, you can click the watch video button if you get stuck. But first, name your integration. Let's say something like @HeyWesFrank, and then we need a client ID. So for that, we're going to go to the developer portal. This is the developer portal of Twitter, and each account that you have has one. You're going to want to create a new project and a new app. When you get to your new app, there's a button down here under user authentication settings. Click edit. For the app permissions, you're going to select read and write and direct message. For the type of app, select native app. And for the callback URI and website URL, if you want to, you need to put youraiagent.com/settings. This URL you can get from this page right here. So you can just copy this and paste it in. What this is doing is after you authenticate Twitter, it's going to send you back to our page where we'll store your access token. And this access token allows us to post on your account via their API. So after all that, click Save Changes, then back on your app, go to Keys and Tokens, and then scroll down here to OAuth 2.0 Client ID. Copy this client ID and paste it into this input box. Then click Connect. It takes you to that OAuth page, and whatever account you're signed into on Twitter, it's going to show up here. If this is not the account you want to connect, first go to the Twitter homepage and then log out, and then log back in with the correct account. Try this integration again, click Authorize App. It's going to load for a second and then say your X Twitter version 2 account has been connected. So just click OK. And then now on the connections page down here, we see the newest connection, which you can remove at any point, and removing it deletes all the access tokens, all of your settings. It's like it never existed. With the connection set up, you can now go to the home page. On this home page is all of the AI agents that we currently have available. We have something for almost everything right now, with more being added each week. But on the filters on the left side, I'm going to go to Twitter version 2, and then I'm going to select X Tweets. So it's a personalized X agent that writes and posts tweets on your behalf. Let me click Start Now. It takes you to the AI agent setup page. First, you want to select your connection. By default, the latest connection is right here. That's perfect. I don't need to change anything. Then we choose our content scheduling. So how often do we want this AI agent to post? And for this trivia bot, I want it to post every 12 hours. So I'm going to keep it as is. We're going to start it immediately, and it's going to post on all days of the week. So the next section is the topic picker. And this is where we're going to adjust the default settings to make it something like a trivia bot. In this section, I'm going to want to put all of the answers to my trivia questions. And in this example, I'm going to create a geography trivia bot. So I can start filling in all of the countries or cities, monuments, what have you, all of the answers to the trivia questions. So let's start putting some in. We'll go Canada, USA, Brazil. I might even go to ChatGPT and go, give me a list of 100 countries all separated by a comma. All right, I'm going to take all of those countries, copy them, and then paste them into the topic picker. If I want to include a URL or link in each Twitter post, I can add this here. URLs must be under 30 characters for it to fit properly with their 280 character limit. I'm going to leave that blank for now. Now in the agent prompt, we're going to need to specify what we want it to do. For this, I already created an agent prompt for this trivia bot on Twitter. And I wrote, you are a trivia question generator. The user will provide a country, create exactly one multiple choice trivia question about that country, use stable facts, avoid volatile facts like current leaders, population counts, and recent rankings. Question length should be 10 to 22 words, and output just the question, not the answer. I'm going to include a relevant image in the post. I'm going to write, take the answer to this trivia question, for example, the country, and generate an image that is relevant. No text or graphics that give away the country. Then we can select an image model. We have a few available right now. I think I'm going to use something good for this trivia bot. I'm going to select the new Image Gen 4 Ultra. There is an extra credit cost for this image model because it is very expensive in the backend servers, but the image quality is a lot better than something like Flux Schnell. I might want to try to see if I can get away with a Flux Schnell model, which is completely free, no credit cost. But if I need higher quality images, I'm going to go with this. And don't worry, you get a bunch of free credits with your subscription. A lot of the AI agents don't use credits. It's only for special circumstances, like using a high quality image model. So now I can click Start Agent. It's going to take me to the workflows page where I can see all of my active and running AI agents. Here we go, X tweets. I'm going to rename this to Twitter Trivia Bot. My connection, my trivia account. The interval is every 12 hours. I can cancel it at any point. I can click on the info button where I can edit this AI agent or see the latest trivia question. If I click on the link here, it will take me to Twitter where I can see my post. It says, which European country known for its capital city Budapest is famous for its historic thermal baths, such as, and I'm not going to try to pronounce these, but hopefully it will trip some of my viewers up. I'm not going to say the answer. If you know the answer to this question, write it in the comments below. And this is a cute little image of said country. If you want to try creating an AI trivia bot for Twitter, I'll leave a link to youraiagent.com in the description below. And if you like this video, I put 2 more on the screen right now. Both have been catered to your personal YouTube watch history. Give one of them a click for me, give it a watch, and I'll see you in there. Peace.